This is A2Pure notes. We're on Unit 5 and we're doing some examples on functions. So this will be example 2. So it says state the range of the following functions. So we first of all have f of x. So f of x in this case is x plus 3. And the domain is for all x greater than or equal to 0. So what numbers can we put into this function? Anything greater than or equal to 0. Hopefully we can see then if we put anything greater than or equal to 0, and what we're going to get out then, I'll just write the answer. I think it's reasonably straightforward for people to see. Range of f will be f of x is greater than or equal to 3. If you put in anything greater than or equal to 0 here, the numbers that we can get out have to be greater than or equal to 3. Part B, g of x equals x squared, and my domain in this case is x in between -2 and greater than or equal to 3. So what numbers can we get out of this? If we square -2 we get 4. If we square 3 we get 9. So is it in between 4 and 9? It's not going to be. Sure it's not, because between -2 and 3, so we square any numbers in between -2 and 3, the smallest number we can get out is 0, and the biggest number then we can get out is 9. Hopefully you're happy enough with that. So therefore range of g will be g of x, we can get 0 less than or equal to 9. Next example then, so example 3, if f of x equals 4x minus 3 and g of x equals x squared, for the domain x within this here is a member of the real numbers, find f of 2, find f of -2, find g of -3, and find all the possible values of a such that f of a equals g of a. So part A, f of 2. So f of 2, anytime we see an x here, we're going to exchange it for a 2. So it's going to be 4 upon 2, take away 3. That gives us 5. F of -2, 4 upon -2 minus 3 gives us -11. G of -3 minus 3 squared, and that gives us 9. Part D, it's a little bit tougher. So find all the possible values such as f of a equals g of a. So what number can I put into here so it gives us out this? So if that's the case, we want to let f of a equal g of a. So we want to let 4a minus 3 equal a squared. We want to rearrange this and solve it. I'm going to take everything over to this side. So it'll give me a squared minus 4a plus 3 equals 0. Factorize. A minus 1 and a minus 3. The value then of a equals 1 and a equals 3. So 1 and 3 should be the two numbers where it gives out the same value. Just a quick check, make sure we're right. If I sub the number 1 in here, 4 times 1 take away 3 gives me 1. 1 squared is 1, so it works for number 1. What about for number 3? 4 times 3 is 12, take away 3 is 9, and then 3 squared here is equals 9. And you'll find it doesn't work for any other values.